Alright, let's get our first power up. Faulty switch. Well, here's that contact that goes inside of the switch here. Goes in like that. I took some 220 grit sandpaper and contact cleaner, and you can see where it's kind of been arcing against that with a loose connection. After that, I took it down like this, took the needle nose and just pressed down in the middle, not real hard, but just kind of brought that back out some. And then I came over here and bent these up just a little bit, barely at all, barely. And then I clean this guy up the same way. Contact cleaner, 220 grit sandpaper. Then I'm going to add some solder to these two connections to bring them out a little bit, so it kind of snaps into this piece and snaps into position on and off and makes a solid connection. And if not, I'll just replace it. I'm just going to wipe a little bit of flux onto those connections. And let's get with it. See if the iron's hot enough yet. Oh yeah. I'm just going to add a smidgen more to the top one. Happy with that. Let's put this switch back together. Want it to go in there. I guess you got that. I really like that. There's plenty of contact point. Let's see if it's too much or too little. Squeezing these tabs in. Squeeze these guys in. These tabs. Looks like it's seated down good. I'll get it better off camera. We fixed it.